Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making roasted red pepper white bean soup. I added a little bit of olive oil to a pot and I'm going to saute onions and celery until they start to turn brown. You want to make sure you brown the onions and celery because this is where most of the flavor is going to come from. I added the garlic and thyme and I'm just going to cook it for a minute until it is fragrant. Next I'm going to add the roasted red peppers, the chicken broth, the cannellini beans, and some seasoning. Roasted red peppers can be expensive, but you can make them at home. It is as simple as cutting them in half, removing the seeds and the members, and roasting them in the oven. There is a recipe for roasted red peppers that will be dropping on Wednesday, so head on over to foodandmoodcreations.com, sign up for my weekly newsletter, and you will be notified when it drops on Wednesday. You can also follow me on social media at Food and Mood Creations on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest recipes and blog posts. I am using cannellini beans for this recipe, however you can use great northern beans if you cannot find cannellini beans. Also, beans can be high in carbs, so if you're on the keto diet or subscribe to a low carb lifestyle, you can use cauliflower in place of the beans. I'm going to cover the soup and let it cook until everything is heated through. I'm gonna add the soup to a blender and blend it until it is smooth. Remember, if you want a thicker soup, add less broth. If you want a thinner soup, add more broth. I added the soup to a bowl and I'm just gonna garnish it with a little bit of olive oil and some thyme. This is how the soup came out. It was really good. It was savory, but the roasted red peppers added the perfect amount of sweetness. If you want detailed instructions on how to make this roasted red pepper white bean soup, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.